What is an SCR power controller? SCR power controller, short for Silicon Controlled Rectifier, is an electronic device that regulates power in industrial heating and control systems. You might also hear it called thyristor. It was first developed in the late 1950s and basically acts as a gate for electrical current, controlling when and how much power flows to a load. Inside an SCR power controller, you'll typically find a few main components: the semiconductor powered device, usually an SCR or diode, a control circuit that decides when the SCR conducts, a heat sink to manage the heat produced, a protective circuit like fuses and transient suppressors that keep the system safe. SCR power controllers use back-to-back SCR modules, which make it possible to control AC power with a high level of precision and efficiency. Modern SCR power controllers utilize advanced microprocessors to offer a variety of control modes and feature digital fieldbus interfaces for monitoring critical process parameters.